Hi, it's Bill, the Knee Pain Guru. Today we're going to talk about the best exercise for knee pain. Before we get into that exercise, I want to talk about what is going on with your knee and why you're looking for an exercise to eliminate knee pain. So if you have an exercise that is creating more pain in your knee, or you have movement that is creating pain in your knee, for a moment, do you think if creating pain by doing an exercise is going to get you out of pain? Think about that just for a moment. If the activity that you're doing is creating pain, you're looking for an exercise that's going to create pain, do you think it's going to get your knee out of pain? Your body doesn't work that way. This is very interesting in terms of the mentality of understanding how to get out of knee pain. So to answer the question directly, the best exercise to get out of knee pain is actually not an exercise. We have to look at the source of what's going on as far as pain in your knee. Pain happens as a result of nerve irritation, of the body protecting itself from a perceived threat, injury, trauma, surgery. Something has happened in your life that's caused your body to tense up. That tension squeezes on the nerve in the knee, irritates the nerve, sending a signal to your brain that you have pain. It's a neurological state that your body is stuck in. And if you exercise from that place of this, your body is stuck in this neurological compensation pattern to protect itself from getting injured further, you exercise from that place, guess what? The knee pain's going to get worse. So, what's the solution? Well, it's a simple reason why you're experiencing pain. It's also a simple solution. What we need to do is get the irritation of the nerves. We need to create a little bit of space around the nerve that's only the width of an eyelash. And that irritation, once we get that pressure off of that nerve, think of it like pulling a splinter from your finger. The moment you pull the splinter from your finger, you feel relief. Same thing happens when you get the pressure off of the nerve that's only the width of an eyelash. And what this does is this shifts neurological states in your body and sets up the conditions that now your body is able to heal your knee. Now, this doesn't matter what your diagnosis is. It could be arthritis, bone on bone, chondromalacia, tendonitis, patellofemoral syndrome. It doesn't matter what the diagnosis is, as long as nothing is broken or torn. The only reason you have pain is because of nerve irritation. If that's making sense and you'd like to begin to create comfort in your knee, then head over to my website, thekneepainguru.com. Take the 7-day knee pain reduction challenge. That's going to teach you how to begin to get the pressure off of those tiny little nerves in your knee, the width of an eyelash, so you can start getting relief in your knee immediately. If this video, you liked it, give it a thumbs up, like and subscribe to my channel, The Knee Pain Guru, as well as leave any comments you have below. You have about questions or comments about knee pain, and I'll answer them on future videos. Thank you so much. This is Bill, the Knee Pain Guru, going to sign off for today. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you on the next video.